The ceramic coating really lasts as long as we say it does. This was the ceramic coating that we applied in 2022. We applied this ceramic coating over 3 years ago. Hey everybody, this is Mike with Paradise Auto Care. I am the owner of Paradise Auto Care. Just wanted to come on here and show you one of our amazing maintenance clients that we started on this car actually in 2022 in the month of May. So over 3 years ago, as of today. 3.5 years ago, we did a 3-year ceramic coating on this one. But here's the thing, a ceramic coating is really only as good as the care gets. So today we're doing an inspection wash to see how this ceramic coating has been holding up over 3 years later of being on the road and getting washed, maintained. And let's see if a ceramic coating really holds up after a few years. Let's get into it. So this isn't just any wash. This is an inspection wash where we're using soaps and certain chemicals to be able to break down built-in contamination that we have on our ceramic coating, and we can inspect what's truly going on with the ceramic coating. And before we do any one of our inspection washes, I mean, it's been over 3 years, so we're gonna wanna check out what this paint looks like. And overall, this entire vehicle has been maintained in such good condition. As you can see, look at the rest of the car. Even though it's dirty, it's still shiny. A 3 to 4 year old vehicle, especially a Tesla, a lot of these materials are gonna start to see wear and tear. And we have really good condition plastics, the paint on the mirror caps. As you can see, all these plastic trims, none of them are faded, and that just goes to show, well, the ceramic coating really helped in terms of protecting the materials all from the sun. So that alone looks really good. Let's get into washing and see what this coating looks like. I'm gonna get started by rinsing this off. Let's check out exactly what the water beading is looking like. That'll give us an immediate idea of what we have with the ceramic coating. So let's do a quick rinse. For 3 years later, this water beading is very good condition already. That's without washing the vehicle at first. So we have here some really good water beading. Normally, 3-year coating by 3 years. This water beading is normally wearing down by that time. So as you can see, if you get up close, you'll be able to see that these water beads are really tight, round, and the water is just rolling off the paint, showing that there's protection on here. As you can see, the water beading is looking amazing. The only area where the water is sticking to the paint is these high usage areas where you get a lot of fingerprints on the door handle and on the edge of the door. As you can see, the ceramic coating overall is looking amazing, and this doesn't happen by accident. We're gonna talk a little bit more about what the history of the maintenance is on this vehicle in just a bit. That way you know exactly how they were able to get the ceramic coating still going strong way long after its warranty period. So far, it's looking really good. Let's continue. We're gonna be talking about how this 3-year ceramic coating ended up lasting almost 4 years off of simple maintenance that you can do yourself with your ceramic coating. Let's get into this video where you can learn a little bit more about maintaining your own coating for the long term. We do use Geon coatings and all of the Geon products to maintain these ceramic coatings. That is one part of why it still looks really good. I'm gonna start washing it by hand. By the way, if you need any help with your ceramic coating and maintaining it, you can let us know and we will supply you with our Geon products. So I'm gonna start washing it and really feel how this is actually reacting over the past 3 years. So let's check out the ceramic coating. Now I told you why this thing is gonna look good. Now earlier I let you know I was gonna tell you why this still looks so good. As you can see, look at this water beading. We just did the full wash, decontaminated with our decontamination shampoo, and it's still beading like crazy. 3.5 years later. Let me tell you exactly why it looks so good still. Number one, it's been hand washed only for the past 3 years since we did that ceramic coating on it. No automatic drive-through car washes. It's not done a rinseless drive-through or a touch drive-through, not even a hand wash drive-through, none. It's been hand washed by professional detailers the entire time, which is a huge plus and benefit. And even if it's yourself, you know, the owner of the vehicle that was washing the car themselves, it's hand washed properly. That alone is gonna make sure it looks really good for the long time. Let's go on to number 2. Chemicals and wash mitts. So using pH neutral soaps and soaps that overall will enhance your ceramic coating experience, like ceramic washing soaps, that is what's going to maintain the protection on your ceramic coating and not degrade it over time. You don't want to use the Dawn dish soap. You don't want to use some like really acidic soap. You want to use something that's tailored and catered to something like a ceramic coating and maintaining it. As well as soft wash mitts. We don't want to wash it with some type of sponge or foam block or any type of brush. We want to wash our vehicles with a nice soft microfiber mitt. That's what kept this really, really nice and shiny and no swirl marks, which is really crazy after 3 years. Number 3, they scheduled maintenance details. So for this client here, we actually had them on a bi-weekly program where every 2 weeks we'd come out there, wash and vacuum it for them to make their lives a lot easier. They're very busy, they drive and commute a lot, and they're both working from home. So, either working from home half the week or outside traveling and doing a far commute. So we want to make sure that we took care of them by doing our best with our VIP maintenance program and going out there and washing it for them. So that helped even more to have it maintained by a professional detailer. Let's move on to number 4. Keeping the paint decontaminated. How important is this? Is basically we have contamination from not only sometimes sprinklers, sometimes it's overall environmental fallout from the environment. We have brake dust from the road grime, tar, built up, bugs, whatever it is. Keeping the paint and ceramic coating decontaminated overall will allow it to keep a strong active coating on the clear coat of the vehicle, and it's going to keep looking good for a really long time. So the biggest thing is going to be things like detailing, maybe at least quarterly, or for example, our coating reset detail. This is our annual reset detail. What we're about to do here, we're going to show you a different option, polishing and then recoating it every single year to keep a nice topper layer on top of it. Basically, it just needs to be detailed and keeping the ceramic coating clean. I'm going to throw in an extra bonus for you guys. Number 5, the first 4 are absolutely crucial and key and are factors that you have control over. The 5th one is sometimes something that you don't have control over, but if it is possible, this one here, the biggest factor in the reason why there's less contamination building up on the paint and less things to clean off the ceramic coating is because this one has been kept indoors. If there's any sort of car cover, whether you live in apartments and you can park under solar panels, whether you live in a condo or a home where you can park it in a garage, if your vehicles can stay indoors overnight, half the day at least, you're getting half the wear and tear from the sun's UV rays, from birds outside, from the contamination, and overall, that's what contributed to this one's really long-lasting longevity without needing even our annual reset details. This one did over 3.5 years, and it could probably do like 4 or 5. So it's not complicated at all. You can absolutely maintain your ceramic coating and make it last a really long time, but it's consistency, is making sure you consistently take care of your vehicle. As you saw throughout this entire thing, you saw the results of how this looks after our inspection wash. So if you get a ceramic coating done, you can make it far past your warranty, and that's something that is ultimately up to you and how you maintain your car. By the way, what you saw us do to this one was our annual coating reset, where you can turn any one of your ceramic coatings, especially if it's kept outdoors. An annual service like this will keep your ceramic coating basically looking amazing forever, and will turn any one of our ceramic coatings into a lifetime ceramic coating. If that's of any interest to you, you can talk to us about that by filling out one of our forms. Overall, just keep the maintenance of your ceramic coating looking amazing. If you're considering a ceramic coating for your vehicle, this is what's possible. 3.5 years later, still looks amazing and in much better condition than most cars I've seen, even 2 or 3 years later with no ceramic coating from a brand new car, even though it's properly maintained. Make sure you protect your investment and keep your car looking incredible, especially when the average car is traded in or sold 3 to 4 years later after the purchase date. You want to make sure you're going to get the most value of it, and as you can see, when you see this car's paint, you're going to get the most value because this is in much better condition than all the other 2022 models out there. Make sure you book your consultation with Paradise Auto Care somewhere on this page. We'll reach out to you and find an appointment where you can bring in your car. We can check it out, inspect your paint, and find out what type of ceramic coating is the best fit for you. And if you want to learn more tips and tricks, especially if you wash your vehicle on your own, in that case, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel where we teach you how to wash and maintain your own ceramic coating at home. If you do want to do it yourself and don't want to pay us, that's completely fine. We can help you out with that as well. This is Mike with Paradise Auto Care signing out.